In today's video, I am going to teach you how to hide your level in Valorant Updated 2026 Guide. Start from the Valorant home screen. Once you are there, move your attention to the top menu and click on Collection. This will open the area where you can manage several parts of your account appearance and profile settings. After the collection page opens, look toward the upper right area of the screen for your player card. Click on your player card to open the customization options connected to your account profile. This section lets you manage how certain profile details appear in the game. Focus on the bottom of the screen. Scroll or look down until you find the option labeled Show My Account Level in Game. When you see that option, click the checkbox to remove the checkmark. Once it is unchecked, your account level will be hidden in-game. This means other players in your matches will no longer see your visible account level while you are playing. If at any point you want to show your level again, return to this same menu. Go back to Level Borders and check that option again. The setting can be changed at any time, so you can switch it back whenever you want.